Yeah, yeah. It happened after coming here at the Skill Tech Audio Engineering Institute with sound engineering. I used to do some studio things, but at home I used to have a small setup, so I used to make song and record it and put it on YouTube, and no one watches it. So actually, it started from there. So after finishing my masters in Nepal, and I was playing in a band at the time. I was playing guitar and was also teaching. So I was about to go to Australia. My parents wanted me to go to Australia, and it didn't work. A message dropped on my WhatsApp from Skilltech, and yeah, that's how I followed up and came here. It's good. My life changed after coming here in Dubai and getting enrolled in Skilltech. Yeah, very much. It was really amazing because this is the only subject or this course that I got into really deep. I've studied many subjects, but I think I did it really seriously. Everything was amazing because I was always excited to come to class and learn new things every day, and also get to know about these stuffs because I've been seeing these things for a long time but didn't know how to work with these things. So yeah. The first I learned all of this, the signal flow, how to operate this, how to operate digital and analog, and also in the working experience I got to see the real scenario and also how the sound engineers work, how everything works out there. So need to be really confident and need to think really fast. And sometimes but it's because of the pressure you start forgetting everything. Your mind went blank. So yeah. Yeah. I got to meet a lot of great musicians from Dubai and had a good chance to work with them, and also how they plan their setup, how they do their performance. So I was really into it in the working experience and also at the open mic. It was really good and it's really helpful now. I worked as an assistant at the Fridge, like concert series, open mic, and also worked as an assistant in Club SK7. And also I got a chance to do some freelance in some places with Subsonic and also with Music Festival, and also at the AIZ award functions. Yeah. Yes, of course, because it's like 6 months course and you got really good experience, and also you are really into the audio industry and you know very much about most of the things, like from using the desk to also working as an assistant, about stage, about conference, everything. So yeah. So audio engineering, I don't think it will. It's a kind of an ocean. So I don't think we can learn it throughout life. But in 6 weeks, yeah, we can get the basic knowledge of these things, and also with some experience, yeah, we can. Online no, but yeah, you can understand some of the things. You can, but without touching these things and without working on these things, it's not possible.